Hello and welcome to this presentation from the Urban Penguin. My name is Andrew Mallard, and in today's video we're going to take a look at how we can speed up our command line usage but take those very same shortcuts, putting them into the Nano text editor to help us edit text files as well. Come on, let's find that command line. And here we are at our glorious command line. Well, we can start learning in 60 seconds some more shortcuts. If I type a command, Control and A allows me to go to the beginning of the line. Control and E takes me to the end of the line. So very quick navigation. Moving back to the beginning of the line, Control and A, I can use Control and K to delete these lines. But these same shortcuts can be used inside of the Nano text editor. So moving to the description, Control and E moves me to the end of the line, Control and A moves me to the beginning of the line, and Control and K deletes the line, putting it in the paste buffer, where I can use Control and U to paste it back in should I require. So to recap, Control and A to move to the beginning of the line, Control and E to move to the end of the line, and Control and K to clear.
All that is left to say is thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this, then you are probably sadder than I first thought. For more of this drivel, please subscribe, like and comment to @the Urban Penguin.